Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to fix your emulation station from flickering like this on a PC screen. So one way to fix it, well, it seems like this is the only way to fix it, but if you go to the start menu here, you press the start menu and you go to other settings. And then once you go to other settings, turn on the anti-alias and turn it to ×2. And then after that, back out, go back to the start and then restart. Quit. Yes. Okay. And then once you quit here, we're going to go back to the actual player. And then now it shouldn't be flickering anymore. I don't know why you have to enable that ×2, but it's whatever. All right. And we're good. Just like it. All right, well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to put PS3 games on here because it wasn't working for me before. Probably the easiest way. But let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.